Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, hello. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday, January 10th. Let's see, it's about noonish, a little before noon here. Thank you, everybody, very much for your business. We had a great Saturday night. A lot of to-go orders, a lot of grocery orders, lots of wine to go, stuff like that. So thank you, everybody, for your support. We really, really appreciate it. A lot of the new items that we're bringing in are big hits. So thank you very much. It seems like the more stuff we put out on those shelves, the more things we sell. So thank you, appreciate that. Let's see, a couple of updates that are going on. Tomorrow is our Mosaic wine dinner, Scheid Family Vineyards out of Monterey, California. We're doing a dinner with 4 of their wines, California wines, Monterey, all estate grown, sustainably farmed. They're doing everything right at this vineyard. Really, really awesome. I can't wait to start traveling again. And this is the first vineyard on our list when Jamie and I head to California. Scheid Family Vineyards. They make a couple different lines of wine. We're featuring their Mosaic wine tomorrow. They make some really awesome wines, and a lot of their wines are really, really value friendly. We sell this for $12.99 a bottle to go. If you buy all 4, it's $9.99 a bottle. So we kind of like bundled them, made a good deal on those. So we're doing a wine dinner tomorrow night. We're featuring their Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay, Pinot Noir, and Cabernet. $25, 4 wines and a dish. $25, it's a bargain. We've been doing this format ever since we were allowed to have people back in the restaurant in June, outside dining. Every other Monday night we would do this, and it was a huge hit. So we've continued that indoor. If you want to come to that, please make a reservation. Please make a reservation whenever you want to come in, because last night we had to turn people away. We just got too busy. There's people sitting outside under our tent. Our tent is I think it's like a 16 by 16 or something. I don't think it's quite the 20 by 20 that we had previous. So realistically, you can only seat like 2 separate parties in there. But if you're like 8 people or something, the tent's basically the whole tent is yours. So we had two separate parties in a row back there yesterday, and then our dining room was full, and to-go orders and grocery orders. So just give a call if you're planning on coming in. It always helps. With 7 tables, we can fill up very quickly. Tonight, Sunday, is the last day of our crab cake special. $9.99 crab cake. Crab cake sandwich to go with the Burberry spicy mayo, lettuce, tomato on a pretzel bun. That is hitting it out of the park this week. I mean, this is like going right up against our ribeye special, our $9.99 ribeye special that we sold an insane amount of. I actually had to buy more crab yesterday and get more crab here to make more crab cakes. Else we would have run out yesterday. We would not had any today. So the $9.99 crab cake ends today, that special. So we do a weekly special that's $9.99, and then we do nightly specials as well. So tonight's nightly special is our shrimp and mussels in the Thai green curry sauce with our organic brown rice and broccoli. $9.99. That is an awesome, awesome dish. $9.99. That's tonight, and so you can get the crab cake in that. This week, starting Monday, we're bringing back our ribeye special. So $9.99 starting on Monday. You can get ribeyes all week long, cooked to the temperature you like, and pick up it's a takeout deals. Our $9.99 are takeout deals only. If you like the ribeye and you sit down and eat it here, it's $19.99 in the restaurant. Same thing with like the crab cake. If you wanted to come in and eat the crab cake here, it would be just the extra charge. The reason why you can do these great $9.99 deals is because I don't have to wash your dishes. I don't have to have staff, team members waiting on you and checking on you and things like that. So we've kind of altered these and figured out that, hey, we have less costs going into to-go items, so we can be really much more aggressive on our pricing. So that's the situation of why our pricing's different for that. Let's see. Super Bowl Sunday. We're going to be doing a Super Bowl box. A Super Bowl box, a party box. It's going to have like pretzel bites in it, or pretzels. You just pop them in the oven and heat them. Pulled pork sandwiches. We'll have them for different sizes. There'll be some kind of vegetable thing in there as well, of course. Cheese platter, things like that. So check out our Super Bowl box. We're going to be announcing that this next week here. Don't know the price yet, but depending on how big your party is, like, so we'll offer it for 2, we'll offer it for 4. So if you're 8 people, you just buy 2. If you're 6 people, you just buy 2 and a 4. If you're just 2, you just do 2. So that right there will allow you to do any size you want. So if you're 12 people, you just get three party boxes. As simple as that. And literally, you'll have enough food and enough booze in there to have a great Super Bowl. So stay tuned for that announcement very, very soon. Valentine's Day, we're going to do the same thing that we did for New Year's Eve as well. We're going to do a lover's box, a Valentine's Day lover's box. So check that out. We'll be launching that. Jamie and I are already planning that New Year's Eve box we threw together that week. And we were thinking about it, and all of a sudden we're like, we've got to do this, right? We've just got to do it. And we threw it together, and people loved it. So stay tuned for more boxes like that. We open at 3 o'clock today. Trying to think what else is happening here. Always so much going on. And again, folks, thank you for your business. Jamie and I really, really appreciate it. Our staff really appreciates it. We had a busy night last night, really busy night last night between takeouts, grocery items, and people sitting inside eating. So thank you. We really, really appreciate that. Let's see. That's about it right now. Jamie might be on later for Happy Hour Live. I'm not sure. She typically doesn't do them on weekends, but every now and then she will get on and go live. She's always looking for drink requests. And so somebody asked me the other day if we can get latex gloves for them. Because, at the beginning of this pandemic, we were handing out latex gloves for free. We weren't charging. We were handing them out for free. And then, of course, with the pandemic, gloves have more than quadrupled in price. Like, I'm shocked with what we're paying right now for gloves. More than quadrupled in price. And of course, we couldn't afford just to give them away anymore. We were giving away a lot. And we were even selling boxes for like $7 a box. I wished I could buy gloves now for $7 a box. Like, I can't even buy gloves for even close to $7 a box for 100 count non-powdered latex gloves. The going rate's like 120 right now. It is insane, 130. The price just keeps going up and up on these. But if you want to buy a box, you can buy a box. We'll sell you a box. That's no problem. It's going to be about $15 a box, but we can get you a box of latex gloves. We have large in stock. I just can't sell too many because I just don't know. Like, the replacement cost keeps going up and up and up. So if you're really in dire need of gloves, we can get you some. I was in a store the other day, and the person was like, I can't find these gloves anywhere. I can't find, it's just amazing. I can't. And they were saying to the person in the store, and the store's like, well, we just got to batch in, and they'll be gone before you know it. We won't get any in for another 2 weeks or whatever. So if you want gloves, we can take care of you. We can get you a box of gloves. So that we can do that. I just can't sell too many because, again, I don't know what my replacement cost. The replacement cost keeps going up and up and up. That's why I'm saying $15 when I'm paying $12 a box right now, because next time I go to buy them, they could be $14 or they could be more. So I have to always factor in our replacement cost, not what I really paid for it. That's a key factor. So key factor in any type of business you're in, replacement cost is a big issue versus what you've paid for it, because the cost is going up and up and up. You're going to be in trouble. So let's see, the gloves, and I think that's it, folks. Have an amazing day. It is pure sun outside right now, so go out and get some vitamin D, drink some water, eat some organic fruits and veggies, eat some good food, stay away from the junk, keep your immune system strong, all those kinds of things that you know what to do. And that's it, folks. Have an amazing day, and everybody, thanks for tuning in. If you watch this live, just drop a comment, #live. If it was on the replay, #replay. If you're on YouTube, you are on the replay. Facebook is live. And that's it, folks. Got to get out of here. Got a bunch of work to do.